At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, October 24, 2022, Mullen stock gains 35% on iGo EV deal. 10 things to know. Mullen stock is up as Mullen hopes to target last-mile delivery companies with the iGo. Mullen Automotive has secured the rights to distribute the iGo urban delivery electric vehicle. The first deliveries are set to begin in Germany this December. Shares of Mullen stock are up 35% today, but still down more than 90% year-to-date. Shares of Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, are accelerating higher after the company announced that it had secured exclusive sales, distribution and branding rights for the iGo, an urban delivery electric vehicle. The compact vehicle has already been homologated for the European Union. Plus, it has been certified for sale in places like the United Kingdom, Germany, Spain, France, and Ireland. Mullen stock is up 35% on the news. CEO David Mitchery added. The goal has always been for Mullen to build a complete line of commercial electric vehicles, and we realize that one of the most critical issues today is inefficient last-mile delivery in urban markets. The introduction of the iGo, a fully EU-homologated vehicle, creates opportunities for the company in Europe where there is a huge demand for this type of small delivery vehicle. With that in mind, let's take a look at 10 things to know about the new Mullen EV. 10 things to know about the iGo. 1. Mullen believes there is a need for ready-to-market urban delivery vehicles in Europe. 2. The company will make the first deliveries of the iGo to Germany in December. 3. The EV will have a starting price of $11,999, which does not include value-added tax or local transportation costs. 4. Mullen's target audience for the vehicle is last-mile delivery companies. 5. The company has already initiated licensing talks with potential partners and intends to sell the iGo through reputable dealerships. 6. The iGo is not a proprietarily made vehicle. Mullen did not disclose the manufacturer in its press release. 7. The vehicle can be found on a wholesale Chinese website for $9,385 per vehicle or $9,080 per vehicle for orders of 50 or more. The website lists an Henry Shiying vehicle as the manufacturer. 8. The EV will have an estimated range of 124 miles per charge and will carry a curb weight of 1,753 pounds and a 16.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack. 9. The release of the iGo will bolster Mullen's commercial vehicle lineup, which includes its Class 1 and Class 2 EV cargo vans. 10. Finally, the compact nature of the EV will allow it to handle the complex urban streets of Europe. Mullen stock alert: what you need to know about Mullen's Isuzu deal? Isuzu is eligible to resell up to 325.28 million shares. Mullen Automotive has added the iGo to its portfolio of electric vehicles. The company also amended its convertible note agreement with Isuzu Holdings. Mullen Automotive stock is up more than 30% following the announcement of the iGo electric vehicle. The vehicle is not proprietary. Instead, Mullen has received the rights to distribute and brand the compact EV, which carries a range of 124 miles. Germany is expected to be the first recipient of the last-mile delivery vehicle in December. The iGo has also been certified to sell in countries such as the United Kingdom, Germany, and Spain. Furthermore, the starting price has been set at $11,999, excluding value-added tax and local transportation costs. Meanwhile, Mullen filed a Form 8-K updating its agreement with significant shareholder Isuzu Holdings. Isuzu is also the largest eligible selling shareholder as part of Mullen's plan to resell up to 900 million shares. Let's get into the details. What you need to know about the Isuzu deal? On June 17, Mullen entered into an amended and restated secured convertible note and security agreement with Isuzu that amended a previous agreement. The original convertible notes were set to expire on July 23 of this year. The ONDR pushed back the expiration date to July 23, 2024. In addition, The Onder also stated that Isuzu could convert the notes into common stock at a 5% discount relative to the lowest daily volume weighted average price in the 10 trading days prior to conversion. On June 30, Isuzu elected to exercise notes worth $27.61 million, equivalent to 28 million shares of common stock. This means that the remaining balance on the principal amount would be worth $1.09 million if the order was completed. However, due to limitations on authorized outstanding shares, Mullen was unable to execute this order. The company issued Isuzu only 17.5 million shares, which meant that it defaulted on its obligations under the original note. Mullen Inc.'s new agreement with Isuzu. As a result of the default, Isuzu entered into a new agreement with Mullen. The new agreement, called the Exchange Agreement, will see Isuzu receive convertible promissory notes with a principal amount of $12.94 million. These notes also extended the maturity of the Onder notes to July 23, 2025 and can be exercised at a 5% discount as well. As part of the agreement, Isuzu will cancel and extinguish and not seek to enforce any rights or interest in the Onder note. Finally, the 8K also showed that on October 17, Mullen filed to increase its Series D convertible preferred stock from 87,500,001 shares to 437,500,001 shares. These shares are convertible to common stock on a 1-to-1 basis. Mullen has authorization to issue a total of 2.25 billion shares of common stock.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.